So we're coming into Wan Chai now by tram. It's a tram stop. The upper deck is better. This is Johnston Road. That's the Wan Chai Market. So quite a lot of changes here. So the tram track. Five Guys. This is the nice one, this old building. Very nice one for drinks, nighttime. And of course McDonald's is everywhere. We're going towards Causeway Bay after Wan Chai. It's basically 2:30, so it is quite busy on a Monday, 2:30 p.m. Oh, Dan Ryan's. There's a Dan Ryan's here. Yeah, that's good to know. Yeah, this is the Wan Chai Market. It's worth getting off here and walk through the market. You see a lot of flower shops and clothing, toy shop, and of course Christmas is coming. So